Hi everybody, and welcome to my yoga practice. I'm Juliette. Welcome to the Sleep and Relaxation Flow. I have designed this practice to balance different types of energy, which governs physical and mental health. We will begin here in cat and cow flow. Put your wrist beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. On inhalation, extend your spine and gently draw your chest up. With exhalation, begin to round your back. We will continue with this gentle flow. Close your eyes and let your breath to guide you. Move slowly, feeling each and every movement with grace and fluidity. If your thoughts still creating the tension in your body, just acknowledge those and move back to your breathing. Let's begin the next flow, gentle side bends in a tabletop. This flow will not only ease your back after the long day, but respectively will help you to digest and to release what keeping you awake. Close your eyes and try to breathe slower than you normally do, and let your body to follow your breath. Beautiful work. Now let's tuck our toes and find our downward facing dog position. Gently lift your heels and feel your back even more long and extended. Gently bend your knees now and return back on your mat. Expand that heart and feel that spaciousness in your ribcage. Release your upwards now and rest in your child pose for the few breaths. As you relax, try to extend in your breaths. Let's begin the next flow now, the flow which will create more spaciousness and luminosity in your body. Move lively, dynamically, energetically, but with a calm and relaxed mind. This flow gently evokes heart and throat, so doing that, it helps to tap into forgiveness and self-compassion, which will ease the resentment towards ourselves and others. Slowly come up to your downward facing dog. Allow your spine to lengthen in and your head to drop easily. Slowly step forward for a dynamic forward fold sequence. On exhalation, fold forward with the long spine. With each inhalation, rise up to extend your back, sliding your hands on top on your thighs. Close your eyes and slide your hands down and around the back of your legs. On inhalation, rise and extend your back again. Keep your knees soft and then fold forward one more time. Hold your forward fold for a few breaths and then step for a few inches back with your right leg. Keep your knees soft and your spine long and extended. Support yourself and then fall forward again. Give yourself a few breaths and then switch your legs. We will repeat this flow from the other side. Keep on breathing and maintain your mind calm. Focus on relaxation, practicing from your heart. Maintain your soft back, then align your feet, step forward, and dive for the forward fold again. Be spacious and light in your heart, and we are ready to start the next flow. From the chair pose, bend your knees and drop your hips, drawing your sitting bones back and your tailbone slightly down as you fold your upper body forward and over your thighs. Gently extend your knees if your body allows you to do that. Sweep your arms up and forward, back to your chair pose, and then dive down again. Let your abdomen rest on your upper thighs. Adjust your body and let your neck to be soft. Sweep your arms up and forward again to the chair pose, and from there, dive back to the forward fold. Anchor your feet and connect with your elbows. Move from side to side. Let your body feel supported. Slowly come up with me and take your time to step back to your downward facing dog. From here, simply lift your heels off your mat. Do it for a couple of times. It will help you to release the tension from the back and legs. Wonderful job! So let your body to feel rested, spacious, and vital in your downward facing dog. Take your time and slowly make your transition on your mat. Again, keep that heart very spacious and light, and keep creating the soft lengthening in your back. Lay down on your belly with your legs extended. Place your elbows to the sides of your chest, forearms parallel to one another. Gently lift your chest, dropping your weight into your elbows. Allow your neck and head to soften. Move slowly. Turn your face, shoulders, and chest to one side, moving slowly as you pour in the sand from the one side to another. Allow your movements to become spontaneous and intentionally slow. Be spacious, alive, and take your time to explore the tender spaces of the neck and base of the spine. Stay connected with your body, moving from side to side, up to down, creating equal space, equal tension, equal relaxation in both sides. Relaxing your body from the toes to the crown of your head. Gently put your forehead on the floor and rest for a few quality breaths. Slowly come up with me. Insert the cobra pose, transfer hips back to the child pose, and then again to the cobra pose, lengthening, expanding, and making that body rested. Slowly make your transfer to your downward facing dog, creating even more spaciousness and length in that back, and then take your time and make your transfer to the seated position. So extend your legs now and keep them hip distance apart and parallel to one another. Ground your sitting bones and sit straight and tall. As you inhale, reach your arms overhead, and as you exhaling, lengthening your spine and fold forward from your hips. Settle your arms on the floor by the sides of your body or take a hold of your feet. Relax, breathe, and release. With each and every exhalation, release and relax into the fold even deeper. So slowly come up now and take your right leg and move it inside. We are ready for the head to knee forward fold now. This asana stretches the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. It instantly calms the brain and helps to relieve insomnia. So start to come up, and we will practice it together from the other side. Lengthening forward into the comfortable stretch. The lower belly should touch the thighs first, the head last. Be sure not to pull yourself forcefully into the forward bend. Ground through the sitting bones. Release and relax. This pose improves the digestive system and also known to relieve anxiety, fatigue, and headache. So come up with me now and take your hands behind your back, press them nicely into the floor, and give your chest, your heart, your entire body beautiful stretch. So go ahead now and start your transfer on the floor. So we will lay down here and give our body another beautiful full body stretch. We are ready for the legs up pose, Viparita Karani. At home, you can put your feet on the wall and prop your back with a cushion. Put your feet directly over your hips, and your feet can be together or hip distance apart, whichever more comfortable for you. Feel your spine lengthening and resting on the surface beneath you. When you're ready, draw your knees toward the sides of your body and find yourself in a happy baby pose. Happy baby pose melts away that nervous energy and relieves the stress. It transforms your busy mind to a happy one. Beautiful. So let's give our knees a very good, strong, loving hug and leave all the worries behind. It's time to rest now. So you can extend your legs, or you can bring them with me toward the base of the body in a bound angle. Keep your arms rested along your body or bring them behind your head. So now, give yourself a beautiful, full, quality inhalations through the nose and soft, quality, slow Exhalation through your nose as well. Gently expand that belly and then gently contract that belly. Simply focusing on your breathing. Give yourself a warm smile inside out and fill your body with a sensation of comfort, warmth, and lightness. Keep focusing on your breathing, and with each and every exhalation, allow your body to soften even more, bringing more life, more space, more relaxation. Let's bring our attention to the heart now and fill that heart with love, kindness, and gratitude. Look inside your heart, and if there is something you know you need to let go, just let it go. All it does is keeping us away from that happy, healthy, and vital life. So let your true self shine inside out. And namaste.